Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see in the title, we are going to be doing our Allure beauty box unboxing. This is for the month of June 2023. So if you want to know what's in this little box, the goods, let's break into it together. And of course, if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful Allure beauty box. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I have not opened it. It has a huge tape right across the box. And I'm excited. I feel like I just got the one from May. I actually just subscribed to the beauty box. And the month of May was amazing. I'm currently using my Sunday Riley B12 serum or Be Nice serum, face serum. And it was amazing, guys. So here we are now in the month of June, and a few weeks after I got this box. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and break into it and go over it together. Oh my God, let me just show you really quick. So this is what the box is looking like. First off, let me just tell you that we are getting a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Yes, I love this product. Glow Recipe is such an amazing brand. Love it. Love the dewdrops. Love these. These are really, really good. Just by like the value of this box, like this alone pretty much pays for the box. I am shook. I am so happy that I'm getting like really great, well-known brands. Like they're not just throwing anything in here. So first off, I'm pretty much impressed with the dewdrops from Glow Recipe. We also do have this full-size item here, and this is the Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha rinse. So I believe this is going to be for your hair. So this one's going to remove a buildup, it adds shine, and it's just going to have your hair nice, happy, and healthy and restore your natural shine. I could always use that because I do add a lot of product to my hair, but I feel like that also maintains my hair super shiny and healthy looking, although I do have a lot of split ends. We'll just ignore that. But I will definitely be putting this tea tree product onto my hair. I love that. I love the green tea tree that it has on there, that ingredient. It's just really, really good. I actually use some of like the skincare products for my face from Innisfree. Anyways, that's besides the point. We also did get this little card here. What is this? So this is from Mudmasky. So it's like a coupon, so 50% off all. So I guess if you shop on their website, you can use that code and you get 50% off the brand Mudmasky. I believe that's what it is. All right, so we also got this here, which I'm a little confused about. So this is by Aveda. It's the Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, okay, it's good for all hair types. So, okay, I will definitely, it's kind of small, but I will definitely be putting it to use. I love getting hair products in my subscription boxes, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you are like that as well. But I'm always down to try new hair products. We also do have this little box here. This is from Saturday Skin. It's the Pro Prebiotics. It's a Pretty Pop probiotic power whipped cream, so maybe like a primer. What is this? So place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers. Apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into the skin. Okay, so it's a face moisturizer. Okay. All right, it looks like it's also like a full-size product, which I would definitely be putting this to use. Honestly, I'm like super excited about my Glow Recipe dewdrops the most. But okay, we got another moisturizer. I feel like we have 3 full-size products, if I'm not wrong, in this box. I'm pretty shook. All right, guys, so let's keep it moving. So we also did get this here. And what is this? This is a body lotion. So Natura Ekos. I think that's how you say the brand. I've never heard of it, but it's kind of like a mini size, travel size product, and it's a body lotion. And it says we are vegan. Our products contain Amazon bioactive ingredients. Well, let's give it a try because my hands are always rusty and ashy looking and they look very rough. So let's actually give this little body lotion a try. We'll try it out in the hands. And I will definitely be putting this in my purse. What do I have on my finger? I don't know. It smells pretty good. It smells like fresh and clean. Let's see what this lotion is about. It feels super moisturizing, guys. The scent just kind of like lingers. It smells really good. I don't know how to describe it, but it does smell pretty fresh and clean. And yeah, for sure, it leaves your hands really nice and moisturized. And you can use this little lotion for all over the body. So that's gonna go in my purse. Oh, and we got a cute little tiny itty bitty little box here. And this is by Aprilskin. And this is a cleansing balm, one-step makeup remover. So this is maybe like a little trial size. I've never heard of this little brand. Oh, but it's so cute. I love little mini itty bitty little tiny things. This is so cute. So it has like the ombre packaging and it's a makeup remover. Oh gosh, my hands are slippery. Let's see if we could break into it. Oh, this is what it looks like. Okay, so just something to melt off your makeup, which I will definitely be putting this to use. And that's gonna be it for today's Allure box. I know it's super fast and snappy, but that's pretty much everything that we got. Honestly, the product that stood out to me the most were the dewdrops. You cannot go wrong with this. So we got the dewdrops. We got the tea tree kombucha rinse for the hair to make it nice and shiny. Full-size item. We also did get the Saturday Skin moisturizer. And how pretty is this packaging? I actually really like how nice and sleek it is. We got a little mini makeup remover. We got a little body lotion. Oh my God, I'm dropping everything. A little body lotion. And we also got a leave-in hair conditioner. And that was it. I actually really like my little box. Oh, it looks so cute displayed here. I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. But that's going to be it for today, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.